That's how we pull up. Yep. And we ain't even done. We still pulling up. We still pulling up. We not even done. Done. Still pulling up. We still pulling up. Go on and get in the D. I see. Y'all didn't think we was done, did you? Y'all better come correct. Getting the band on there. Yup, told y'all we still pulling up. We still got more coming. All right, guys, so I'm back with a quick little video right quick. Had to walk up with my sponsor real quick. You know, I don't know if y'all seen this car before, but y'all probably seen it at the track. But as you can see,
what's up?
Y'all see who here? Y'all see who here?
We'll talk entertainment.
Make sure. Make sure. There you go. There you go.
Street Cars 101 man.
And of course, y'all know this guy right here.
Up,
I finally got to meet up with him.
I
finally get to meet him.
What's good, bro?
I finally get to meet him.
Hell yeah.
Mr. Prep.
Man,
Mr. Prep.
It's sitting over there?
It's sitting over there, of course.
All right, I gotta go holler at Hustle Hands too, man.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, I see that over there, man.
Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I told y'all I'm gonna keep bringing these videos back to y'all. Right now we are at Jackson Wax in Concord for a car show. Y'all know who all here, who's not here, but y'all know who's here to take over. As y'all see, I'm playing around. A lot of the music, I'm gonna have to try to talk over the music because of the fact it's copyrighted and I do not own the rights to the music. But I'm gonna give y'all a glimpse of some of the cars so y'all can see what's going on out here. So as y'all see, like I said, we out here at Jackson Wax, getting it in. My boy Mike, you got Mike out here, you got Tavern out here, you got everybody out here, Hustle Hands out here representing. So all of these that you see right here up front are Hustle Hands, including Mustang. The Hellraising is not ours, that's not ours. But we do got a couple in there. But yeah, man. So I'm gonna give y'all some views and stuff like that, of some cars and stuff like that. Tell me what y'all think. I know y'all see a lot of cars out here that y'all see probably in the city, Charlotte area. But this thing is nasty, man. That wide body nasty. Yeah, that wide body nasty. I like that. But as y'all can see though, you do have Ford Gialos on there. Yeah, you got your Jeeps, you got your BMWs, you got your imports, man. Like I said, we are out here at Jackson Wax in Concord. We are actually out here for the car show, car meet, whatever you want to call it. All right, how's it going? You got your Camaros, for those that love the Camaros, right here. But like I said, some of the areas, man, y'all may hear me try to talk over, or I might have music playing in the background that I will be trying to change out. I know y'all remember seeing that car in one of my videos for the car meet. And then also we have the this one y'all seen. It's all about detail, man. I want to get this down to mine also, because I like how they did that. But it's nice. Make sure y'all follow them on Instagram. Y'all see them right there. Make sure y'all go follow them on Instagram. But yeah, man. I mean, Scat Packs. You got Scat Packs. You got Corvettes. You got imports. You got stuff that you ain't never seen before. Comment down below. You know what that is. But for y'all Scat Packs, check this one out. Detail. This is what it's all about. Detail. You gotta love the detail on this. You gotta love the detail, man. And look, they even got a signature. Richard Petty. Queen City Challenge, y'all know I used to be with them. Like I said, I'll take that. There's your Mustang owners. You see it. The Cuda. The Plymouth Cuda. Y'all see it. Of course y'all see it. The Plymouth Cuda. Man, if you could find one, good luck. Play with it. That's a Henny. That is a Henny. The old school Barracuda. But yeah, man, you even got motorcycles out here, man. You got the old school, the Jeeps, the Concord line. You got the trucks. You got, like I said, you got Miatas, BMW imports, the Impala. You got a variety of cars out here, man. Just as a glimpse. I know it's not too packed because of the fact, like I say, everybody thought it was gonna rain. But as y'all see, this is Charlotte. Charlotte gives you that iffy weather. Now I can't put that in there. That's my president, y'all, for the club, car club. That's Chad, also had car club. But yeah, man. I mean, all this is hustle hands over here, by the way. For those that's asking, yeah, that's Toucan, that's Gary. These are new prospects right here in hustle hands. So, like I said, a lot of people didn't show up because they thought the weather and stuff like that. For y'all import tours, man, the Hondas and stuff like that. A lot of people want to know what's up under these cars, man. Y'all see it. He's doing it damn bad. So, you like that intake, how you get the intake. But yeah. Yeah, all hustle hands. That's Bennett. So Bennett's car is the Subaru, which I'm gonna get to. So, but of course, yeah, this is Moon Knight. So let me explain y'all. He's been on Moon Knight way before the show even came out. So a lot of people are saying, oh, he just kind of jumped on Moon Knight. No, he's been doing this way before Moon Knight even came out. So we will get that cleared up. Like I said, the music, I do not own the rights to. And then of course y'all know about the Z06. Y'all don't see the Z06 so many times in Charlotte, man. One of the cleanest, if not the cleanest Z06. Then you got my boy Tavern in here. But like I said, all this is hustle hands. So that's the first lady's car, hustle hands. That's his wife, the president's wife, and that's his. So I know a lot of y'all that's been in Charlotte have seen this right here up at the Panther Stadium. You talking about a Panther fan, this is your biggest Panther fan right here. I don't care what nobody say, this is your biggest Panther fan right here. Hey man, I just wanted to give y'all a quick, you know what I'm saying, walk around the car show up here, man. I'm just giving y'all a quick video of, you know, where we at, what we doing, stuff like that. But until then, man, hustle hands. Hold on. Like I told y'all, remember what I told y'all? This guy is the original Moon Knight fan. I'm telling y'all, way before the show even came to TV. So I'm telling y'all, this is the guy with the truck.
Moon Knight 704.
There you go. So like I was saying, that's the original, man. We like that, man. Oh yeah, and we don't discriminate in this car club. Let's get that established, what this one is, though. I ain't gotta say what this one is, but y'all know it. Make sure y'all head over to Gorilla Car Care. Get you some of that right there. Make sure you get that. You want your tires to look like that. That's after wash. It still looks like that. Like I said, man, shout out to Street 101 Magazine. I seen y'all out here too, man. Prep, we gotta get up, man. Prep, we gotta get up to do this video, man. Like, we seriously gotta get up so we can do it. Austin's out here. Look who's out here. Yeah, who would think these two would come out to the car meet? We finally get them in the car meet, so we're trying to get them. We are actually trying to get these two, trying to get them to join the car club. So, you know, we're going to get them to join this car club. But, she said I got to hook the car up. But, I mean, y'all, like I said, I know I got to do some videos. I got to do some videos, but I'm kind of busy right now. So, I'm trying to knock these videos out. I'm trying to do 2 a week, trying to get back to doing it. But I want to give y'all a little short glimpse of what's going on, where we at, what's going on with the car. Y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm talking about the help because that's baby help. But yeah, I'm out. Y'all have to go. Peace. That's how we pull up and take over. I'm pretty sure y'all gonna see all pictures today on Facebook of medals, trophies, everything. Like we took over. Like we ain't playing with it. We took over all of them. Y'all come on, just stick with man, please. Please. Small piece of us, man. Small piece. We took over trophies. Like I said, y'all gonna see some Facebook all day today of pictures of everybody that won trophies. Everybody, you see the hardware. Y'all see the hardware. We ain't playing. Y'all playing, we winning. Winning circle. Joe, that's like the winner circle, don't it? Well, we didn't win.